Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aureliana Syaputri-Atmaja.
My name is Della Puspita.
So today we will presentation about planning and organizing function. First is defining management. To understand the function of management, we must first examine what management is about. How do we define management? Management is a process with a social element. Three key characteristics define the process of management. First is management is a process of continuing and related activities. The second core characteristic of management is about it involving and concentrating on organizational goals. Finally, management achieves the organizational goals by working with people and organization resources. Management is about a dynamic process with a number of elements and activities as part of the process. Planning and decision-making determining courses of action. Planning is decision-making regarding the goals and setting the future course of action from a set of alternatives to reach them. The plan helps to maintain managerial effectiveness as it works as a guide for the personnel for future activities. The first managerial function involves planning. The function is about creating a detailed plan toward achieving a specific organizational objective. The focus of planning is about achieving the objective and it does require knowledge of the organization, objective, and vision. And next, Della, time is yours.
So I'm gonna presentate about why is planning essential. Planning provides the organizations a better sense of what it wants to achieve and how it can achieve this. You essentially have more focus when you plan for things. Think what would happen if you went into a big job interview without any planning. In effect, planning ensures the proper utilizations of the available resources and the ability to understand how these should be used in order to achieve the goals. So, how to plan? Planning is an intellectual activity that doesn't always require a lot of visible labor and efforts, as much as it is about thinking creatively about the issues at hand. You should focus on the following steps. So you can see in the presentations, the first is gain knowledge of the issues. Why? You need to understand the organizational objectives, the different components they involve, and the available resources you and the team have. The second is look into the future. The function to look into the future is about understanding the short and long-term objective the organization wants to achieve. 3. Determine the objective. Once you are aware of the organizational objective, the resources available, and the future outlook to achieving the objectives, you need to identify the specific process and detailed goals that are required to achieve the bigger goals. And the last is create flexible structure. However, your planning needs to be flexible and take into account things don't always go according to plan. Next. So this is the end of our presentation. Sorry for any mistake that we will do. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.